On this episode of Noobs Create, we create a JB Welded crankcase. Alright. This is a Honda GX160, a motor that was pretty powerful until someone decided to run it without oil. Not naming names, but anyway, the motor got seized up. I then unseized it. I didn't record it. I'm sorry, I should have. It took a lot of WD-40 and pounding with a mallet, but we finally got it to at least do this. But we have a small other problem. There is just the slightest little crack that runs all the way down here where all the oil escapes. So then what do you do about it? Well, if you're like me, we're just gonna JB Weld the thing. Let's get to it. Alright, so to get into the crankcase, we're gonna need an impact drill and a socket. 12 millimeters, maybe 11, probably not. No, yeah. So we're gonna need our impact gun and our 12 millimeter sockets in unscrew mode, and we're just gonna unscrew those and just take them right out. Alright, so we're now going to try to take this out. So I think the easiest way is to just wiggle it just a bit. Just a bit. And it falls right out. Okay, good to know. Yep, everything's going freaking fantastic. Alright, we'll just set that to the side for now and push this motor back. Alright, so after breaking it off, we can see that I have obviously broken something else off of it. Let's just try and fix that. Pliers like these. Just gonna want to take it. Try to unscrew it? Yeah. And just let's go. Yay, it comes right out. We'll just set that to the side. Now we're going to deal with this. Alright, so now with our 10-cent file, which is looking awesome. I guess we're just going to want to go over and roughen up the spot. Maybe we should do this with sandpaper. Yeah, maybe sandpaper would have been a better idea. Alright, well, I don't see sandpaper around here, so yeah, I'm going to continue using the file. Alright, I would say that's rough enough for us. Get our JB Weld knockoff. Alright. Instructions, thorough clean and roughen the area. Alright, now we need cardboard. Alright, so this says equal portions in each tube. And 24 hours later, our JB Weld has set up pretty nicely, I do have to say so myself. So, what do you say we get her back together, put some oil in her, and see if she actually runs? Test 2 with more power.
Probably because it is.
Alright, so hopefully third time is a charm. I think I got it tuned properly, so let's take it and see if she'll start. That's awesome. Oh. Well, she works. She just doesn't have throttle control. I still count that as a win in my book. Thank you all so much for watching this episode of Noobs Create. It was such a fun project to finish off this motor, and I can't wait to use it in future episodes of Noobs Create. Of course, if you really love this episode, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you feel like being extra awesome, you can always hit that subscribe button to keep up with other videos and other episodes of Noobs Create that are going to be rolling out very soon. Of course, that's all time I have for today. This project is done. It's time to move on to the next. I'll see you in the next one.